Good morning, traders. Simplicity and precision is the core and key of the Alpha Fibonacci system. With a single glimpse, intelligent trader knows this morning market, stock and retail chop. Knew this well before the news. News is extremely bullish. Price at the bold red zone at the time of the news pulling back. So when you see with a single glimpse when market stock inside junky retail chop, you have zero interest pulling trigger. You understand this is weakness. This identifies only retail junky weak markets. This has been played out for the last 7 days. Our extended bullish rally stock and retail chop. We need for the market to crash and burn. If this is not playing out, this is a market you're dealing with. This plays out on every single chart. This is a case 90+% of the time. Absolutely no software on this chart, only Alpha Fibonacci system with proprietary strategies. Identifies retail reversal zone days and hours in advance. Only when you master such brutal market conditions, you can become successful. Without this, success is not possible. 90+% of the time, retail weakness only. Because institutional vertical rally continues. 5,000 level is next. Where to enter and exit, you must know the rules. So when institutional vertical rally continues, you also know days, weeks and months in advance. 5,300 level to follow. 5,600, 5,800 will be historical event, but again, one step at a time. 5,000 historical institutional high next. If market not selling off, if market not crashing, if market remains stuck inside junky, weak retail chop. Intelligent trader would never stare at this. Intelligent trader would never babysit the markets. Intelligent trader knows when to trade, when to be in front of the screen versus not. So when the scanner gives you alert this morning, you understand extremely well. It's very aggressive retail short. Market stuck in junky chop. Intelligent thing to be on sideline. Conflict in the market means walk away. Very limited trading range for both for longs and shorts. Prices stuck despite spectacular bullish news. In retail weak chop. And that's how chop displays. And that's a conflict and narrow trading range. So this is how limited shorts are in the current market. Clear counter trend. I project software on 3-minute chart. Trades played out on multiple charts. Junky retail pullback. Absolutely no power to the downside, none. Chop only in extremely limited trading range. So this is limitless long. This is software for NinjaTrader 8 that displays and reminds you precise target is critical, precise entry is key. When price at the green zone, you monitor for long. And you remember forever where to take profits off the table. If you forget that precision is a crucial key part, and you absolutely must remember to take profits off the table, you can be stuck in the trade for the next day, or trade can reverse against you completely. In the course you learn precise entry, stop and targets. That's the only way to day trade. Breaks my heart when traders come to me and they continue to speculate. Speculation and day trading, the worst possible thing you can ever do. Precise entry, stop and target. Simplicity and precision is key to your success. How you adjust to different market conditions is everything. So that's how you know far in advance, well before major news, price and retail chop with a single glimpse. Software tells you that. 90% of the time, this is what price has done for the last week. So if you separate spectacular versus brutal market conditions, number one, you cut down on your stress instantly. Number two, you stop losing money. Number three, you stop staring at the screen for hours. Institutional holds are the most challenging market conditions to trade. Only when you master this, you can become successful. So if institutions not taking profits off the table and this vertical rally will continue, 90+% of the time it will be this. 2024 will be a very different year than 2023 and 2022. It's a vertical 180-degree vertical rally completely. Absolutely no profit taken by institutions, none. Test is on. Obey the rules and walk away. Day trading on S&P is brutal. It's also brutal on Nasdaq. It's also brutal on Dow. Move to gold. Move to oil. Price is price on every instrument, or use the system long term. Absolutely no software on this chart. Gold weekly, in front of you, stuck in chop. But this is also a stunning reminder how gold collapsed during highest inflation time. On CNBC you keep hearing buy gold, but with the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, you know, this is a place to short, not to buy gold. And when gold respecting 2200 level, obey the rules. Institutional buy point intact. This is your institutional trading range on gold, and you know this months in advance. And if you like to invest long term, of course you can. Apple overextended, stock in pain. Amazon skyrocketing until exact same level as S&P. Charts are twins. Tomorrow we will discuss oil at the time of the news, as Alpha Fibonacci system identifies institutional buy points. Our student in Saudi Arabia not allowed to short. There are no shorts in Saudi market. So he's very excited to buy various oil stocks at the bottom. And you know this far in advance. No matter how catastrophic and bearish news is, this is Alpha Fibonacci institutional buy point. And if you're day trading oil, this is where you go long. Never ever ever short. So this is oil chart this morning. I haven't touched anything for weeks. Price have shown you very clearly where to buy oil. So use your limitless brain and identify what's appropriate for you. Institutional buy point remains intact. That's it. That pure and that simple. Absolutely no software on this chart. You can trade the system on MT4, MT5. You can trade the system on any instrument you choose. I can't wait to see my students in Europe very, very soon. This is your October 2023. Our incredible trader, one of our traders left Saudi Arabia and bought the home in South France when you're at the bottom using Alpha Fibonacci system. So if you understand how price moves and you are self-aware, number one, you are not forcing that trade. Number two, you understand very clearly 104 and 112 are institutional trading ranges on euro. This level is out, euro in free fall. Buyers are weak. That's it. Only you can identify what's appropriate for you to trade. Only you know your personal financial circumstances. And if you are stressed out, you walk away from day trading using system long term because you understand sniper's mentality and spectacular technical execution is secondary to patience and discipline. As this continues on S&P, broker printing money, 20 hours plus, 95% of the time this week. Also on Dow, also on NQ, identical. Institutional holds continue with junky retail chop. Test is on. So if you're mastering the worst market conditions, everything else becomes a dream, a breeze. This is key to your success. Junky retail markets. This is key starting point. You stop losing money, you stop losing your mind, you stop staring at the screen. You start trading as intelligent, strategic, quality trader with highest quality trade. In this market, they do not exist. Key moment. Next. So again, this can last months, this can last years. This is key to your success. Junky retail markets are absolutely critical to understand. You are not pulling random trades. You are not going for a random number of points. This is first launching step to your day trading success. So please review all the details on the website and view the movie student made about Fibonacci Trading Institute celebrating 13-year anniversary. As traders globally trade all instruments, all timeframes, all platforms. This is the first year I'm doing bootcamp in the last 2 years. We have only actually 8 spaces left. For new students, it's an ultimate gift of value $27.77, included in 4 packages below. Students will be coming back to speak on bootcamp. Ken will be joining us, sharing his story. So is Sue from Texas, so is Georgie, traders from all over the world, from different parts of the world, trading completely different instruments. So when you view students' performance, when you see how students all over the world trading stocks during the worst geoeconomical events, trading options, trading crypto, trading futures, trading forex. If these traders can do it, so can you. That's it. Simply make an effort and use your limitless brain. Self-awareness is key to your success. Choose the package appropriate for you. Private mentoring, the most desirable option. Savings $10,000 plus with a bootcamp. Group course, savings almost $8,000, the most popular option. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As S&P stock remains in retail chop. Second week, 90+% of the time. Master the worst market conditions, you are on your path to success. And that's the key part of a bootcamp. So please review all the details, because alpha brain and money mindset will be discussed in bootcamp. It is key to your success. How to harness your financial power and your mindset. How to make your money work for you without overworking and stressing out is key. How to trade with precise entry, stop and targets. And if you are a graduate of the course, please contact me for a separate special package. That's it. Graduates coming back to take bootcamp time and time again to master their skills and perfect their trading.